It's been a topic of conversation for quite some time, and the big day had happened this week. Lucid Motors, the Tesla's rival or the Tesla killer, has announced that the special purpose acquisition company merger between it and Churchill Capital Corp IV has given the approval by the stockholders. This week on Monday, July 2021, the Lucid Motors will begin trading on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol Lucid or LCID. The EV automaker startup announced last February it plans to go public sometimes in second half of this year. It's remained true to its words. The deal is expected to give Lucid a cash injection of about $4.4 billion. The money will be invested to expand its Arizona factory so that the Lucid Air luxury sedan car can finally come to the market. The Lucid Gravity SUV car could debut sometimes in 2022. The SPAC merger are becoming increasingly common. Fisker and Faraday Future both utilize this reverse merger method as a way to raise sufficient capital through an IPO by merging with private companies. Those companies are then able to acquire the liquidity using the public market. Tesla didn't use the SPAC method when it went public back in 2010, but rather the traditional method. Lucid previously claimed it could be worth more than $24 billion, but we will have to come to a precise number in few days. Meanwhile, Lucid opened its Beverly Hills showroom last fall. The goal is to attract wealthy customers who desire something more luxurious than a typical Tesla S model. The customers can physically pick out the interior materials, colors and other custom touches before purchasing their orders. Like Tesla, Lucid is utilizing the direct-to-consumer business model, so to forget the franchisee dealership. Lucid aims to set up an additional 20 studio showrooms throughout the North America by the end of this year. The Lucid Air sedan carries a starting price of $87,500 after a $7,500 federal tax credit. The top-of-the-line Lucid Air Grand Touring will set buyer back at least $131,500. So what do you think? The luxury car maker Lucid Motors, which has gone public this week, will it fulfill its customer needs in coming months?